Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jill, aka the August Diaries. I do relatable fashion and beauty content, and today we're going to talk about new in stuff that I got for the last few months. I'm wanting to steer away from like huge hauls, but I also want to show you guys some things that I got in that I really like over the last little while. So that's what we're going to do. First, I need to just find the first thing. Okay, the very first thing, just because I actually want to put some on, is this Chanel Baume Essentiel Rouge Frais. I actually use it mostly as a blush just because it's super glowy and it gives you that like kind of lit from within look. The red color is really pretty. I normally don't go for a red, but I love this one. And then I'll also put some on my lips too. I got a few new pairs of sunglasses in from Kits Eyewear. Okay. These first ones are like my dream 70s sunglasses. They are Loewe and they are just like, they're also huge, so I have to get them adjusted. But look, like I'm just obsessed. They're so good. And I love this gold detail here. I also got a few in from their house brand and I thought these ones were really cool with like the cat eye. There are these sunglasses that this blogger Victoria McGrath has and I love them so much and I can't figure out where they're from. I'll insert a picture here, but these are kind of similar and so I really liked that. I also like that it kind of like draws your eye upwards. It kind of makes your face look a bit more lifted. And then these are the last pair of sunglasses, which I thought were really cool. What do we think? Obviously very into the 70s vibe. I just can't help myself. So this top that I'm wearing, I will insert some footage here. This is a Citizens of Humanity oversized chambray shirt. I got a few things from Facellos, which is probably one of my favorite like boutique stores. They have a location in Kelowna and then also one in Sechelt, and then they have online shopping. But I was up in Kelowna for work and I went into the store and the owner just like, she picks such good kind of unexpected things from brands that I love, like Frame, you know, Citizens of Humanity, AGolde, that kind of stuff. But it's like some of it is stuff that I have never seen before, which I love. I got this sweater from them as well. It has this little slit, but I thought it was really cute. And I think it's cotton, so it's like a good summer sweater. This Frame top, I have been pining after for quite a few months, ever since I saw it on their Instagram stories. And it's just such a Stevie Nicks / Daisy Jones top. You know, you don't have to wear a bra with it. It's just like very easy and pretty and cool. This is like my dream top. And then I also got 2 pairs of jeans. I got the AGolde cargos, which I didn't think I was gonna like, but then when I tried them on, I thought they were really cool and they're also so soft and comfortable. I ended up going home with those. And then these like horseshoe jeans. I'll insert a video so you can see what they look like. They're kind of weird. They're kind of like fashion-y, but I thought the shape was really cool. And ever since I got this stuff, I've been wearing this shirt with one of those jeans every time I leave the house for the past 5 days. That's not an exaggeration. My husband Andrew makes so much fun of me, but like I find an outfit that I love and I just wear it to death. And then lastly, I got these very like Y2K. They're not cargo, but they have like some ruching around the knee and they have this like elastic detail, but they're really, really comfortable and I feel like they're gonna be really good for traveling. And then they have some elastic on the bottom, which I think you can let out and just have them be more of like a wide leg pant, which is nice to have that option. I got this necklace in from Mejuri, this paperclip chain, and I really like that it has this circle here. And then this is a pendant from my collection with True Curated. This is from my old True Curated collection. This is the Alchemy one, and this is the Deco. And then I also have an L from Mejuri for my son, Lachlan. I just thought it was really cool. I also just got in the new new NYX swimwear collection. Well, I got one piece in. This is their high-waisted bottoms. I don't love like a super skimpy bum. I think this one should be okay. And then this is the top. It's a really pretty color. Okay, let's move on to hair. So this is really exciting. This is from my friend Matt Collins, who I've known for quite a long time now. And he just came out with the scrunchie, and it's like basically like a scrunchy bungee for your hair. And I'm not gonna put it in right now because I can't see what I'm doing, but you basically loop it into the start of the ponytail and then go around and then pin it in. It doesn't leave like an elastic dent in your hair, so you can put your hair up and then take it out and it's still fine, which is really nice because I always get elastic dents. And then because of this, it also doesn't like pull on your hair. There's no breakage or anything. So these are really cool. My stylist, Chris Weber, gave me this EXO styling iron by fellow blogger Cara Jordan. I've actually known Cara for probably over 10 years now, which is crazy. This straightener, I love it. First of all, such a good price point. I really like how thin it is, and I like that these are curved, so you can do kind of like the mermaidy wave without getting it stuck and then making a crease in your hair. I like that it's small because you can get like small little bits around your face. It heats up really fast. Because of this curving here, you can also do curls really easily, and even though I'm terrible at that, like I can't do that, but other people could. I will have everything that I'm talking about linked in the description box as well. Lastly is this hair fragrance, and this is from Rain Cry, and I think I actually talked about this in an old vlog, but this is Brun. So it's like made specifically for your hair, so it's not drying like other fragrances are. But I'm not really like a big perfume person, like I'm really picky. And this one smells so good. It's not too feminine, like I kind of lean towards the more masculine scents, and it's not too strong. I love it. So this and this are both available on Vanilla Loft, which is the salon that I go to. And I have a discount code as well for everything off the site. So I'll leave that in the description box below as well. Also, I haven't actually tried them yet, so I can't recommend it at all, but wanted to let you know that Rhode Skincare is now available in Canada. So this is the Barrier Restore Cream, and this is the Peptide Glazing Fluid. I've heard actual good things about this line. It's by Hailey Bieber. I'm excited that you can get it in Canada now.